Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Resin Beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I will bring for you best ideas about resin pendant, resin coaster, resin earrings. Today I am making fruity earrings with the help of tiny stickers of fruits. Very easy to make, especially for girls. Actually, I have seen a beautiful video about fruity earrings, so I am trying to make just like that. Here are some beautiful ideas, fruity earrings. Here is the video which I have seen. You can also make this just like that with the help of UV resin, UV light. Beautiful earrings I have prepared. Very easy to make. With the help of UV glue. Very beautiful. I hope you are enjoying. Thank you for watching. Bye.